hot dog. Sandwich Dad's back again. Hello. Today's sandwich is inspired by, well, these two hot sandwich dogs here. Today, we are going to make a foot-long hot dog. I feel like I haven't seen these since going to Blades games in my youth. I don't have foot-long buns, though, but I do have these Toscana buns that are pretty nice from Bellagio. We're going to toast that up, suggestively remove the foot-long from the package, and throw it in some boiling water in a 12-inch pan, I guess. I don't know what to do with a foot-long, for goodness sakes. Anyways, to prove it's a sandwich, we're going to use some Lady's Choice sandwich spread I found here. Spread that on. Both sides, why not? Then we'll take out the foot-long, place it on the bun. Whoa, gotta make sure it doesn't roll off the counter there. Okay. And how shall we dress our wiener? First, some moutarde baseball, as they say in Quebec. And my damn wiener kids ate all the pickles, but there's enough, I suppose. Put some pickles on there. How about some diced onion? Maybe a little bit of diced tomato. You know what? Why not like a big handful of chopped fresh dill? That seems nice. Sure, let's give it a shot here. Well, really trying not to be suggestive, but it sure is a handful, and it's a bit messy, so I'm going to go eat it outside. Here's our backyard in Saskatchewan taste test. Again, trying not to be suggestive, but this is a delicious sandwich. Glad I picked up those wieners. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day!